Hi, I'm Paul.
Hi, Paul. I'm Tara. Nice to meet you. I'm going to be doing your consultation today, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Sounds good. All right, thanks.
Superhairpieces has been around since 2007, and since 2011 it had its first employees. Since then we've kind of grown and expanded from there. We have a location here in Mississauga, Ontario in Canada. So we are constantly growing, and primarily we deal with helping men and women get back their confidence or just make them more beautiful by giving them hair. So that's where I'm at.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about yourself and kind of what got you here today.
I'm 33 years old. I started losing most of my hairline. As you can see, I don't have much of any of it. When I was probably about 17-ish.
Okay.
I was in high school, like 10th grade. And by the time I got to high school, I did not have, but pretty much what you see is what I had. And all, my teenage years, I just shaved my head, no guard, just completely kept it bald, pretty much. Recently, I've just been playing, like, as you can see, I got a little bit going on here. But I don't know. I've been on TikTok and I've been seeing those videos, and it's kind of drawn my interest to it because I've never in my life seen these things before. And I'm like, this is awesome.
Oh, that's awesome. So if you were to, I guess, out of what you've seen with our hair pieces and whatnot, what would be the primary thing you'd be interested in? Like, are you looking for something with a lot of hair? Are you looking for the most natural looking? Do you have an idea of maybe what you're looking for, or are you going to leave it up to us?
Honestly, I really don't know. I mean, obviously, like, match my colors, my hair as much as possible, obviously.
Yep. So we do have various different systems, and I mean, it really is dependent on what you're kind of looking for yourself. We have systems that we call basically disposable systems, which are systems that are going to only last you about maybe a month to 6 weeks, and then they basically just kind of disintegrate because they're just so thin. Then we have systems that are a little bit more durable, which could last you a lot longer. You can get a lot.
Preferably, that's what I would prefer. Some of that would just fall apart in a couple of weeks, some less months maybe.
Now, if by chance, once you get it, you look at the color on your hair, it doesn't work, please let us know, because then we can exchange it for a different color. We have the M104. So this system right here basically is going to give you the poly around the perimeter. So it's going to have the durability, but you then get the lace around the front, which gives you that natural hairline. And you do have the mono in the middle, which has that breathability to the system. I was
wondering about that, if they'll be like breathable or not.
Yeah, it is definitely breathable. So you'll be able to kind of have that breathability in the middle, because it is hard to tell when you're obviously not in person. Though I do believe it's going to look good on you. We obviously want you to look your best, right? That would be awesome. I think that's it. But yeah, by all means, if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. But yeah, we will get everything sent out to you by next week.
Okay, awesome. I'm excited.
All right. Okay, Paul, it was great talking to you.
Yeah, nice talking to you too. And we'll be in touch.
All right. Have a great day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.